Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what Facebook stores about you. This matters because offline access depends on local copies. First, export your data. Select messages, contacts, and photos, then request a zip or JSON file. Once done, save to external storage or encrypted folder and note file paths. Make sure to enable Data Saver and understand cache locations on your device. This helps you reproduce feeds offline. Do not delay. Capture everything now so later steps work without network access. You now transform raw exports into interactive, browsable content so offline use feels normal. Use a local server or reader app to convert JSON into HTML pages and CSVs for contacts. This makes search and display fast. Once converted, sync photos to a local gallery and map interactions. Store likes, drafts, and scheduled posts in a local database so you can prepare content while offline. Make sure to preserve timestamps and ID. They allow resynchronization later without conflicts. You finish by planning a safe resync because merging offline edits can cause conflicts. First, compare timestamps and unique ID, then upload only non-duplicated changes or save conflicts for manual review. Once done, run a test sync on a small subset to verify behavior and make sure backups exist before full import. If things go wrong, restore from your original zip export, check file integrity, and retry conversion. This single troubleshooting step fixes most corruption or missing data issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.